In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp filters so you can quickly narrow down your tasks and focus on exactly what matters most. Filters are one of the simplest ways to cut through clutter, especially when you're working with a busy list or a complex project. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to turn a long list of tasks into a clean, focused view in just a few clicks. Let's start with the very first action, clicking the filter button. In most ClickUp views, like list, board, or calendar, you'll find the filter option near the top of the screen, usually alongside other view controls. Go ahead and locate that filter button and click it. When you do, ClickUp will open a filter bar or panel where you can start defining exactly what you want to see. Once the filter area is open, your next move is to select a field. Think of a field as the specific type of information you want to filter by. This could be something like status, priority, assignee, due date, or any custom field your workspace uses. Click into the field drop-down and you'll see a list of all the available fields for that particular view. Choose the one that best matches what you're looking for. For example, if you want to focus only on important tasks, you might select the priority field. If you want to see tasks assigned to a particular person, you'd pick the assignee field instead. After you've chosen your field, it's time to pick the operator. The operator tells ClickUp how to compare that field to the value you'll enter next. You'll see options like is not, is set, greater than, and contains. Each one has a specific purpose. Use is when you want an exact match. For instance, the priority is high will show only tasks where the priority is set to high. Is not does the opposite, excluding anything that matches that value. Is set is helpful when you simply want to see items where a field has any value at all, like tasks that have any due date without caring what the date actually is. Greater than is commonly used with numbers or dates. You might use it to see tasks where the due date is greater than or later than today, which helps you focus on upcoming work. Contains is perfect for partial matches, especially with text fields. For example, if you're filtering by a task name or a custom text field, contains lets you find any task that includes a certain word or phrase. Once you've selected the appropriate operator, the final step is to set the value. This is where you define the exact criteria you want to see. Click into the value field and choose or type what you're looking for. If you picked the priority field with the is operator, you might set the value to high. That gives you the filter priority is high, which displays only your high priority tasks. If you're working with due dates, you might choose a specific date, or if you're using contains, you can type a keyword that appears in your task titles or descriptions. After setting the value, the filter will apply automatically and your view will update to show only the tasks that meet your criteria. You can always clear or adjust the filter later if you need a broader or different view. By clicking the filter button, selecting the right field, choosing the best operator, and setting a clear value, you can turn ClickUp into a focused workspace that shows you exactly what you need when you need it.